Oh, so I got this thing working. I was made a live stream just a few minutes ago, trying to get the uh, Arduino export templates working with this Godot Bluetooth library. I followed the documentation online. Needed a couple little changes here and there, but those could have been my own fault. Maybe just reading things too quickly. But now we got it working. I thought I would show you. Here we have. Here we have the Bluetooth module, an Arduino, and then I have the one of the Android apps here, the Godot Bluetooth samples. This called for 3 LEDs, but I only put one in because I ran out of resistors. Like I said, I never learned how to read the bands. I did, but I forgot. And you see the resistors. They come with the folks from wherever I ordered this from, some Chinese factory. They were kind enough to write the values for the resistors right on the label. So I got the ones I needed, and I wired up that one, and then I hit the button, LED 3 on, LED 3 turn it off, and it's working. It's an Android app built with Godot and talking to an Arduino. Pretty damn cool. Now, there were some issues when building the code, and I'm still not quite sure what to make of it. I got this issue here when building, with Gradle. Complains, barfs about the NDK, and then says some stuff is missing. I don't know if this is an error or not. I don't know. This is probably not a Godot issue. This is a Java or Android SDK or something issue. And it's got this stack trace barf. And then at the end, lint has a lot of issues. But it says build successful, and the code is running, so that's good. Was there any other issue? Yeah, when I built the application with Godot, this happened. But then it said success. So I don't know what that means. I'm going to have to rebuild it a couple more times and see if the errors keep coming. Any other thing? This is not related. That's Arduino. So, what was that? Was there any other issue? Yeah, the build with scans worked fine. So, yeah, there's this, and then there's a couple other little issues that I found that I already mentioned in that other video, that really long video when I was building everything, reading the documentation and stuff. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna maybe run through this process again from scratch and make sure I can still do it. And then at that time, see what errors crop up, and maybe do that 2 or 3 times and get a feeling for what was induced by me and what is actually an issue with the build instructions in the various repositories. And so it came with, this is the native layout. There was also a custom layout project in the what am I saying? In the Godot projects. Is this thing on? Yeah, in the Godot and here, yeah, there's this custom layout in here as well. Yeah, this one I had an issue in building. Yeah, shit, I might try it again right now. Maybe I'll try it again right now while you're watching. Yeah, another issue with the build stuff was still in this bin directory. What is this? Wait. Yeah, in the bin directory, it outputs release and debug. We probably only want. Well, the command was only to build one, not both. Yeah. All right. So whatever, that's there. Maybe I'll try building the other one. I'll go to the project list. Yeah, let's try that real quick and see what happens. That's already installed. Let's see what happens when we build this now. Maybe I just had. Let's see if this works. Maybe there's some issue with the templates before. The templates had been the issue was the Android was complaining about. It was complaining about the it was complaining about the lib Godot Android shared object. So it tells us. But then I rebuilt the templates, and then I built them with the what do you call it? The different flag, and it worked. Let's see what happens this time. Like I said, some of these issues could not really be issues. They could be just mistakes I made when building stuff. We'll see. Let me try. Plug my phone in now. And now let's try to export this then and see what happens. This is custom layout. Let me check my phone now and see what happens here. Exporting, installing. Let's see. All right, so it's installed. And it still works. Good, it works. Both projects work. I'll show you. I'll show you. Let me see. Stop the screen share. And now this is the other one. This is the custom layout. Click. Click. Okay. Turn off. Off. Yeah. On. Off. On. Off. Pretty good. That's the, verify, that's the custom layout, not the native layout one. So good. So the project's built. There were some errors along the way. Maybe need to make some documentation changes tomorrow, or have some work to do tomorrow, but everything built fine in the end. It works with the hardware, so update coming soon.